At MRPC, we can take a product from design all the way to product distribution. We have molding and assembly and clean room environments, and then we can offer supply chain management, so we can give you the total package. It's a total solution when you come to MRPC. There's a lot of thermoplastic molders out there, especially in the medical device industry, but what is really unique about us is that two-material molding. We may take a rigid plastic such as a PEEK polymer, and then we will bond it with silicone rubber. We can take a metal component and bond it with silicone rubber. We can do TPU, TPE, and putting them together and allowing them to chemically or mechanically bond is really our expertise.
We've garnered a talent and ability to marry those materials and help our customers bring a product to the industry that gets the benefits and the properties of both combined into one. We are amongst a handful of folks that can really do what we do as well as we do. We can produce products that I know a lot of our competition just either will not or cannot produce. Yes, we do partner ourselves with a lot of innovation and a lot of high technology and sophisticated equipment and machinery, but our problems are solved when those group of people get together from different disciplines. And I think that's really what makes us so strong. You've got to have that wealth of experience and knowledge base, and that's what makes us successful.
The focus of our business is working initially with our customers to provide them with an engineering solution. After we develop a product for them, we'll transition that ideally into a long-term production relationship. Some of the programs that we're working on today or some of the customers that we have gone over 50 or 60 years. Certainly our goal is to be able to work many years with our customers.